Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to pass parameters to the callback functions. Okay, see, I have taken four functions. Imagine you are traveling to a place. Okay, so I have made according to that scenario. First is imagine function name is travel, another function name is necessary equipments, third function name is modes of transport, and fourth function name is expense. Okay, now in this four functions we want to have some parameters like this: destination, things. Okay, things will be an array. B is modes of transports, a bus, train, and airplane. Okay, and another expense is money. Okay, now let's see how we can pass these parameters using callbacks. Okay, so first of all, okay, we'll call this travel function. Okay, travel, as travel is having only one parameter as destination, we will pass that parameter directly. Okay, imagine Australia. Australia. All right. So this is the parameter which directly will be received in this. All right. Now let's see the next. Now we want to make this as a callback function. Travel has the responsibility of calling necessary equipment, modes of transport, and expense. Okay, see how we can achieve that. I will tell you. First of all, you need to pass them. Okay, inside this function. Okay, how we will pass with the name we will pass any necessary equipments. Another see, no need to write that parameter over here, otherwise it will be immediately invoked, and which we do not want. Necessary equipments, then modes of transport, just pass the name of the function, mode of transport, and another is expense. Yes. Okay, so what I have done here is I have simply passed the function inside this travel. But here, do we have the parameter list matching? See, in travel I have four parameters. I have four parameters, and here see only one parameter. So we need to write those parameters here also. Necessary equipments, then modes of transport, next expense. Okay. Now this is all right. Now see, it is the responsibility of travel function to call these methods. Okay, call these functions. Travel has the responsibility of calling necessary equipment, mode of transport, and expense also. Now let's see. First of all, let's call this necessary equipment. Necessary equipment. Okay, to call this function, how many parameters we need? We need one parameter, which is things. Okay, let's, things is an array. Imagine things is an array. So we'll declare here array. What all things we will carry? Imagine camera we will carry, then glares, then additional thing what we will carry, we can carry cloths. Okay, so these are the things which we will carry, and we want this things to be passed as a parameter. So let's pass it things as a parameter inside this. Now next function is what? Next function is my modes of transport. Let's call that also modes of transport. How we will call? How many parameters it has? Modes of transport: bus, travel, bus, train, and airplane. So we'll pass those parameter here. Bus, then train. See, I hope you are understanding well. Bus, train, and next will be airplane. Airplane. Okay. Now these parameters will directly be passed here. These parameters will be directly passed here. Okay. Now next function is money. Okay. Imagine I'm calling here money. I'm passing some parameter 45,000, so roughly. This is just the expense, rough expense. Okay. So this is how we call the function. Now see how we can execute that. Let's execute and watch the output. See, first which function will be invoked? First, I am traveling to destination. This destination is coming from here, which is Australia. After that, this function will be invoked. After that, this function will be invoked, expense. Okay, okay, just a minute. Money, instead of money we have to write expense. Okay, as the function name is expense and money was just the parameter. Okay, now it's totally fine. Now let's see how we can execute. Do we get the desired output or not? Okay, just see. Yeah, I am traveling to Australia. I have taken camera, glares, clothes. I will either travel by bus or train or airplane. I need 45,000 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can pass the callback function. All these are callback function. Okay, callback function. Necessary equipment, modes of transport, expense. Okay, see what is the basic meaning of callback? I will tell you. A function is given the responsibility of calling another function. In this case, travel was given the responsibility of calling necessary equipment, modes of transport, and expense. Okay, so that's all about the callback functions using parameters, how we can pass those parameters easily to any of the callback function. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share it with your friends. Okay, keep supporting. Thank you and have a nice day.